welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video and I'm so excited. I will be doing a Pep Home haul today, so stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you all of the lovely things that they've got in store, and if you guys like this, this could be first of many more Pep Home haul videos. So just, you know what to do: like, share, subscribe, and comment below, and I'd really appreciate any sort of support. So yeah, let's get into it. So one of the greatest items that I bought, and one of the biggest items that I bought from Pep, was my little faux plant, and it is so pretty. Here's it over here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I've already opened it all up, so when it comes, all of these leaves are all the way up like this for storage reasons, I assume. And so I've opened it up to just show you guys how lovely it looks once it's all opened up. And I just like how realistic it looks. I do like real plants more, but you do need one or two faux plants, and I feel like this was the best that I could find. This one was $189, basically 190 rands. Next item is so pretty, and it's this candle holder. So I saw these in gold and white, but there were only 2 gold left, and that's how I got the gold one, because there's only 2 left. But if ever I want to change the color, I could just spray paint it. I do see that the quality of the black one was better than the gold one, but it's so pretty. You just put a little tea light in it, and yeah, you can just decorate with it. I was assuming putting it in front of like a vase. I will show you in my pictures, or next to a vase. I'll show you in one of my videos. And yeah, this one was, I also took this off, I took the price off, but this one was $29.99. My next item was this picture frame, and it was only $10.99. So this one is for like small images, but I really liked it because of the black frame. As you can see, I'm really into black frames and black accents, and so I was just planning to get one for now, because I'm not too sure if I want to use it for a gallery wall or to put it on a side table. I'm not too sure, so I just got it because it was really cheap. It was really like cheap. I took off the price tag and I just left this one on so I don't forget. And yeah, the next item I got in the dishes section, and it's this gray side plate. And I'm actually not going to use it as a side plate. I'm going to use it as a catch-all dish or a jewelry dish. And I'm going to put in like rings and necklaces and all my jewelry, which I'd like to display next to a side table. And I really liked it because it had all these little crevices on it. It's really cute, it's really nice, and I think it looks really cute with gold jewelry on it. I'll just put in a snippet over there and show you how it looks. This is also a side plate, or this is more for like platters because it says that at the back. This was also in the dish area, like with all the dishes and the cups, and this one was $18.99. What I liked about it was this detail on it, because it's like this beige color, but it's got all these little white spots on it, and I felt like it looked really good. I will also be using this for my jewelry, and I'll be using it next to the bed, like I said, or next to a side table where I could put things on it. I could also put a small vase and perhaps something small in it, and I liked it for this egg shape. This egg shape is really nice. The next item is a garden shovel, and I actually got this for my mom. My mom's really into gardening, so this was really nice. It was really affordable. It was only $14.99. So when you're at Pep Home, there's just so many things and they're so affordable. You might just end up like buying the whole entire store, and like with the few items I got now, that was the exact case that happened. Like they were there, they were cheap, and I bought them just to try them out. This is one of them, and this is like a fragrant sachet. So instead of lighting a scented candle or using a diffuser, you can use these scented sachets and put them anywhere in the house, like perhaps maybe in your living room, if you put them in a drawer or underneath the table or somewhere where you can just leave it there and, you know, make the room smell nice. I'm not too sure if it smells nice. This is the blackberry basil scent. It was only $11.99. I'm just gonna open it right now to just test if it's strong enough, because usually these sachets are really strong, and even in the packaging you can really smell the scent. Not so much with this one. Okay, it's got a smell. It smells nice. It reminds me of summer days when you like go out and you swim and you come back and you freshen up and you have a cocktail drink. The smell reminds me of that. The scent is quite fresh, but I don't know how long the scent will last. I don't know. It's because it's not that strong, but it was not bad for the price. Come on guys, like for this price I don't mind it. It's really good, and that was one of my somewhat useless purchases because I didn't need it, but I saw it and I bought it. The next item that I got that I also didn't need was this push light. And this push light or touch light, you just press it and that's how you switch it on, and you put in batteries in it. It was $14.99, so you can attach this anywhere. For example, in the picture here they show that you can put this perhaps in your wardrobes, because sometimes we have dark corners inside our wardrobes and you can't see your clothes properly, so you can put it inside your wardrobes and just touch it or push it for you to be able to see your clothes properly. You can put it anywhere and you can just stick it. I assume you can just stick it on. I would like to use this for an upcoming DIY. My next purchase was so pretty. When I was at the shops, some lady was suggesting that I take another mat because she saw that I was really looking at the mats, but I really fell in love with this one, and I liked it for the pattern. I don't know if you guys can see. I might have to cover my face. This is the pattern. It's quite big, so it's got this, I don't know what this pattern's called, but I like it because of the black and white color. It's a very neutral matte, and I just feel like it's so bright and it looks so refreshing. It reminds me of nautical vibes. I don't know why, but it gives me nautical vibes. So yeah, and this one was $69.99. Not bad for the quality. It seems like really nice quality. This has been really intricately woven, and I really like the pattern. The next item I got was this pretty vase, and I really liked it because it's got this amber brown color going on. I don't know if you can see in the light, it's brown. And so there was this shade and there was also a black one. The black one I was not too sure if I wanted it, because I do like amber brown colored glass. So this was really nice. I don't know if you guys can see the detail on it, but it has these, I don't even know what you call these, little pyramids on it. I don't know, but it has all these little pyramids on it, and it's got this nice detail. And paired with some pampas grass or just a few eucalyptus leaves, it should look really nice. This one was only $29.99. So I'm not into mug collecting, but I might just try. I might just give it a shot, because sometimes there's mugs out there that look so cute and I don't necessarily want the whole set, but I would like just to own one or two of those mugs, and this is one of those mugs. I saw this when I was heading to the till and I was like, okay, I just gotta get it. I don't need a mug, but I just gotta get it. And it's got this marble detail on it. It is so pretty. It was only $12.99, which is really good. Usually mugs are around 25 rand. So the next item I actually saw on another YouTuber's video called Kahi M, and she used these as candle holders. Excuse the noise. She used these as candle holders, and they're actually tumbler glasses, and I like them because of this little detail on them. So when you look at them, you think that they're actually black, but when you put them in the sun or in the light, you see that they've got this little purple tint to them. I don't mind the purple because you hardly see it. I do like this black color though, and I got 2 of these because I also plan to use them as candle holders in the future. They're just so cute, they're so nice, they're so elegant. I just love them. These were $12.99, not too bad at all. And another item that I don't think I need but might probably come in handy was this hook thing, which you just attach on your door. You attach it and you hang your clothes or your handbags or your belts or accessories or your gowns. So you could just attach this behind your door. I don't like it in the color white. I might spray paint it black or gold or rose gold. I'm not too sure. But you know what? It's one of those things you don't think of actually buying. You don't actually go to the shop to go buy it. But once I saw it, I was like, actually, let me get it. And it was only 11 Rand 99. These wine glasses are so pretty. They've also got this purple tint to them when you hold them against the light. But in general, they just look like black wine glasses, and I adore the shape, guys. It's big enough to hold enough wine. And I got 2 of these. I really like them. These were $24.99. And guys, I saved the best for last. When I first saw these glasses, I saw them on Pinterest a few months back, and I was so sad because I was not sure when would we start getting these glasses or this design in South Africa. But Pep Home does not disappoint, guys, and they have these ribbed glasses. They have the ribbed glasses. I was losing my mind. I bought about 4 or 6. I think I bought 4 or 6 of these, and I like them. I like the color. I like the design. It's exactly what I wanted, because I like how it's all narrow and then it goes wider, and just this whole ribbed effect. It's just so gorgeous, guys. It's just so gorgeous. I wish they also had them in like a transparent look, because as much as I like this dark tinted ones, I wish they had them in the transparent look, because it would look so pretty once you put in your ice cubes and you put in your edible flowers, some pansies, some blueberries, some strawberries, some cool drink, or make some refreshing drink. It would look so pretty. But I think I could still pull that off with these ones, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy I got these. I'm so ecstatic. And I don't just want to use them for glasses. I actually also plan to use them as vases, because they're just so pretty. They're just, I can't even say it enough. And I got these for $15.99. After all the stuff that I bought, I basically spent 568 Rand at Pep with all the stuff I bought. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So I hope this shows you guys that, you know, dressing up your home, getting nice things doesn't always have to, you know, break the bank, or you don't have to spend too much money. And so yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed my haul. That is it for today. If you guys would like to see more of these types of videos, please comment below, please like my video, and please share. As you guys know, this is my first video and I'm really excited. So yeah, I can't wait to do another Pep Home haul for you. Perhaps I might also do some more hauls from other shops as well. If there's any other haul that you'd like to see, please comment below and let me know. And yeah, that's it from me. I hope you guys have a splendid day and see you next time. Bye.